If you are using an AISD district-issued iPad, there is a very good chance that it is being managed by the district. This video will show you how to search for the app that the district uses so that you can see if Seesaw has been installed on the iPad, and I will show you how to update your Seesaw app. So what I'm going to do first is I'm going to click somewhere in the middle of my apps. So on my page I have just one row of apps, so you have to make sure you're clicking and dragging somewhere in an open space. So I'm just going to kind of click and drag down, and this is going to bring up my search box, and so I want to search for an app called Catalog. So I'm going to just start typing the word catalog, and you can see that is going to start pulling up searches, and I see this app, this blue app with the little white arrow that is titled Catalog. If you are not seeing the app Catalog, then this iPad that you're using is not managed by the district, and so if you don't have the Seesaw app, you would need to submit a student help ticket that can be found on the hub on AISD.net. So I'm going to click on Catalog. It's going to open up this AirWatch website. I'm going to give it some time to load. It's pulling in all of the apps that are on that iPad. Okay, and now I'm in the AirWatch window, and on the right hand side I have a little search magnifying glass, so I'm going to tap on search, and where it says name or category, I'm going to tap right there, and I'm going to start typing Seesaw, and I can see that one app has been found. If you are not seeing the Seesaw app, you would need to put in that student device help ticket that I mentioned earlier that's found on the hub at AISD.net. So I'm going to click on Seesaw, and it will show you this green button that says installed. Depending on how your campus's technology support person is managing iPads at this time, if they even are, those app updates may automatically be coming to your iPad, but there's really not a good way for us to know that right now. So I'm going to just tap on the installed button and then click install again. It's not going to hurt anything if you try to reinstall the app. This is just going to make sure that the app is updated and you have the latest version. So I'm going to click on the home button, and that's going to minimize my screen. And so depending on your internet connection, you may see the Seesaw app, especially if it's being used. Like on mine, it's down in this little dock because it's been used recently. And you may see kind of that little progress wheel coming across, and that will kind of show you the progress of that app being downloaded and installed on the device. So that is one way that you can check on a district issued device if the Seesaw app has been installed.